Have you ever wondered how to get a little photo over here on your preset categories? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's a lot easier than you think. First step, we're going to open the photo that you want to add as that preview in the edit module. Once your photo is open, you're going to hit the C key. This is going to bring up your crop tool. You want to make sure that you are on a 1:1 square ratio, and then you're going to select how much of your image you want, or at least, the cropping of your image, the framing of your image. All right, we're going to hit apply. And now I have the image that I want to use. I'm going to hit done. You could do edits here as well if you so choose, or just apply one of the presets. Now that I have this here, I'm going to click on resize over here in the bottom right hand corner. This is going to bring us to probably a lesser used manual or module inside of ON1, but you're only going to use one area here, so don't be intimidated. We're going to click on the dimensions. If it's hidden, or I'm sorry, the document size, we're going to click on document size, and if it's hidden, just go ahead and hit show. On the drop down next to width and height, make sure you select pixels. There are some different options available, but choose pixels. And then we're going to change this to 800. It's going to proportion it because it knows that it's at a 1:1. So that means what you do to one side, it does to the other. And once that's done, all you have to do is hit done. This has now resized that image to an 800 pixel square image. It makes a TIFF file for you in the exact same folder wherever your images are stored. So now we can navigate back to our category that we want to apply this to. So what you're going to do is select the image, the TIFF file that you just converted to 800 by 800. You can check that over here in the description or the dimensions and info tab. And then you are going to right click on the preset category. You're going to get a dialog box that pops up. Now, the top one is to delete the category. The next one is to rename it. The third one is to export. And then the bottom one is what we're actually going to click here in a second. However, I do want to let you know, if you ever want to export presets, you can share presets with people just by clicking export. And this is how I do this to upload the presets into my website, freewillphotos.com, and share them with you. So we're going to click set preview category. Now, this is not an instant thing. And yes, you do want to go 800 by 800 because what that allows ON1 to do is render this file in a smaller preview image. If you go with a larger resolution image, it's going to take a lot longer. All right. Now, this can take anywhere from 5 minutes to the next time that you load up ON1. So don't be discouraged and think you did it wrong if it doesn't upload instantly. Now, you can constantly check it by going back and forth. And as you can see, this is now uploaded. And this works in ON1 Photo Raw 2021 as well. So if you found value in today's video, smash the like button. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see a video that YouTube thinks is right for you, click the video on the screen now. Until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.